And today we are going to be shooting. But before we shoot in 2 hours, we've got to take care of some business. Why do I have all these t-shirts and why do I have Vivek's t-shirt over here? Because reference, right? And we need some merch. Unfortunately, the suppliers, the good merch suppliers are all in Dubai. But anywho, today's agenda seems a little fun. We're going to be shooting in another 1.5 hours. I'm going to be getting picked up in a pit. And I've got to get everything organized until then.
A few moments later.
And y'all better start hitting F in the group chat because the t-shirt printer wasn't there. So all of this was pointless. So I guess I don't get any personal branding for today's gig. Normally they send Ubers or rides for me to get to and from places. Very rare instances where we're riding in a Maybach that I can't really afford.
That's your luck. That's your luck, brother.
That's just good luck, brother. I hope I'm not annoying you. I make content, bro.
Okay, nice.
That's why they get me to do videos. But like, if this is unbearable, I'll stop. That's a lot of what we're shooting. You know, that's just my vlog.
I want to be in your vlog. Yeah. I'm sorry. I'm vlogging.
Hey.
See, I should vlog now.
Hey guys, are you guys in the middle of a dance lesson here? Are they teaching you to dance? Tell me something. I don't know anything. I don't know how to dance even. So tell me what's a good step.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, perfect. Can you teach that to them? Wow. Teach them. They don't know this.
Today's rig's gonna be my A6600 on a gimbal with the 2870. And on the other hand, I've also got an A7 III, my old camera. I'm having serious regrets of selling this when I did. But in all honesty, I'm kind of contemplating on putting a tighter lens on this just so that I can go handheld on close-ups and do some fun shit.
A few moments later.
You look so comfortable there, bro. Uber comfortable. Hey, bro, went from Santa Claus to pimp, bro. Let's go.
Crazy 20 years, but we made it, baby.
More moments later.
I want to give a big shout out to our team over here. Let's go.
We run the whole wide world from the bin. Pies made us out, we don't need new friends. Trunk full of cash in a brand new Benz. Deep on the beat with Ninja and J-Head. Black Lamborghini, shotgun, white girl. Brown boys never run, we just run the world. Get money, smoke cream, the pressure is on. Call me Jandu if you wanna hit some.